let's look at some of the tools inside this transform panel. So if I select an object, I can just press on this X transform. So this is the free transform tool. So where we can just move our object wherever we want. We can actually rotate it this axis, or we can just scale it. So scale it on this axis, scale from the Y axis or the other axis. Yeah. So that was the X form transform tool, which is actually the free transform tool. Next, we have this pivot tool. So notice that our pivot is at the base, because while making this cube, we selected that pivot at the base. We can actually change that by pressing over here. So with the help of this, we can actually change the pivot. So suppose I can select the top, and over here we have some presets. So center of this box, bottom, top, front, back. So I can just press accept. So now if I rotate this, so I can just click on this X form tool, and now you will notice that we are rotating from other axis. If I just pivot the center and press accept, now again I choose the X form tool. Now we can rotate this cube from the center. So that is how we can change the pivot, and we can perform multiple transform operations as we like. Also, we have the add pivot actor tool. So right now inside this box, we have just one pivot. We can actually add another pivot to this. So if I just press this pivot actor, so here it is asking the location where to add a pivot. So somewhere around here, if I select and press accept, you can see on the right hand side inside the outliner, we have a pivot actor. So we have this pivot and the box pivot as well. So that can be useful in some cases. So again, we have this split meshes tool. So suppose I want to split this offset with this cube inside here. So just press the split tool. I will select this part and press accept. So now if you notice, it has created two meshes. It has actually splitted one mesh into two parts. So we have this offset part and we have this cube part. So on the right hand side, we can also see we have two different static meshes now.